Continuing from previous video, we'll see what are the other options available for a non-standard restraint. So last video we had a look at the two-sided and one-sided restraint. Let's have a look at what happens when you click or untick local access. When you untick local access, Start Prof asks you whether the support is in plus X direction, as in plus X global direction, Y, Z, minus X, minus Y, and minus Z global directions. You can select which directions you would like to have that support go to. You can also click on this ellipsis and you can provide a vector in the direction that you want the support to be. Right now click on OK and we'll just say we want the support to be in plus X direction. You can have the gap or you can just remove the gap, and Start Prof will not enter any gaps available in this direction of plus X in global coordinate system. Right now let's go back to having a line stop with 5 millimeters gap. So what are the other options available in non-standard restraint? We can also restrain a pipe support in rotational direction. So again, when you click on rigid two-sided and you select local axis and you say that you would not like this to rotate in axial direction, and when you click on OK, Start Prof adds a small little arrow which is curving in axial direction, which means that Start Prof will add a restraint which stops this pipe rotating in axial direction. You can also, instead of axial, you can say you would like to do it in horizontal direction. When you click on it, Start Prof will put a symbol which shows that the pipe cannot move in the X axis, or it cannot rotate in the X axis. Similarly, if you selected the Z or vertical axis, Start Prof would add the symbol accordingly. In here you can also add the flexibility, and you can also add the allowable loads if you have checked the allowable loads. For this instance, I'll just say that it's restrained in the axial axis and we'll click on OK. So this is how you enter information for special pipe supports in Start Prof.